Welcome to our video on virtual furniture shopping. Today, we'll explore the best resources to help you dive into this innovative way of shopping. First, let's talk about some must-read books. Titles like Virtual Furniture Shopping, The Future of Retail by M.A.W.G. Prezad offer deep insights into VR technology in furniture shopping. Next, we have podcasts that cover various aspects of virtual and augmented reality in retail. The Furniture Retailer podcast is a great place to start. For visual learners, YouTube has excellent videos. Check out Virtual Furniture Shopping, The Future of Retail by Shopify for a comprehensive overview. AI tools are crucial for creating immersive experiences. Tools like Meta AI and Google Decor enable developers to build stunning virtual and augmented reality applications. If you're looking to deepen your knowledge, consider taking online courses. Udemy's Virtual Furniture Shopping, The Future of Retail is a highly recommended course. These resources collectively offer a robust foundation for understanding and leveraging virtual reality in furniture shopping. They cover everything from benefits to practical applications. Thank you for watching. We hope these resources help you navigate the exciting world of virtual furniture shopping. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.